Hi guys, so in today's video I have come up with a couple of entry-level remote jobs that are going to be in high demand in 2025. Okay, so of course if you're watching this, you know that remote jobs are becoming very popular. A lot of people are trying to work remotely, and so if you are looking to enter into this market, let's say you want to start working remotely and you're looking for the best industry to enter into, then this is the video for you, because these ones are entry level positions. Okay, so I mean it's beginner friendly, right? So toward the end of the years, some of these top business sites like Business Insider, Forbes, and even ZipRecruiter, other recruitment sites, they compile a list like this. All right, so this one I found it from one of such sites that compiled a list of entry level remote jobs that are going to be in high demand in 2025. And I decided, oh, you know what, my audience might need this, because in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about content writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. But it's not just content writers watching me, because the things that I share, you can also apply it in any role as a remote worker or as a freelancer. Okay, so I just thought my audience might need to see this so that they can know how to plan ahead. So in case you're looking to enter into the remote world in 2025, then this is the perfect video for you. And without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So quickly, let me go straight and tell you, I think we have about 10 remote jobs. Okay, so first, before I even proceed, let me first define what an entry level position is, because some people mistake it. Some people think it means, oh, just come as you are, you don't have to be qualified. That's not true. Entry level doesn't mean you're not qualified at all. It just means you haven't had enough experience. So as an entry level applicant, you have learned how to do something, but you haven't really had the chance or the opportunity to work as that thing, work in that regard. So coming as an entry level person, you're a beginner. You know how to do this thing, but you haven't really tried it out. So you're using this as an entry level position. Do you understand? So that's what an entry level position is, just to put that out so that you understand what you're going in for. All right, so let's get into the video quickly. So the first position is virtual assistant. There is no order. It's not listed in any order of importance or priority. These are just top 10. There is no order. So these 10 are going to be in high demand in 2025, and number 1 is virtual assistant. Of course, with the way everybody is learning virtual assistants, it's actually scary. Everybody is just doing VA, ALX, VA. Okay, and it's actually scary, but well, according to research, virtual assistants is one of the things that are going to be in high demand in 2025. People are going to be looking for virtual assistant a lot. And as a virtual assistant, what's your duty? Basically assisting a process, but virtually. Okay, so you help with things like scheduling, emails, administrative tasks for businesses or entrepreneurs. Help them run their businesses effectively from wherever you are. Okay, and it's a pretty good skill. You need skills like organizational skills, time management, proper communication. These are the skills that you need that will help you become a good virtual assistant. All right, so the first, virtual assistant. Second remote position that is in demand, very in demand for entry level positions, is customer service representative. So you're a customer service reps. You're working in that regard. It means that you're assisting customers with inquiries, complaints, and solutions. Okay, so you're helping to answer people's problems. So you found an organization, you've learned their processes, you've learned everything, and so when customers call with the complaints, you help them through the complaints, because you already understand the functionality of the organization. For this, of course, you need communication skills, empathy, listening skills. All of that are things that are important as a customer service reps, and it's a very lucrative skill as well. Skill number 3, the third role that is doing very well, is sales assistant. Now, as a sales assistant, your job is to support the sales team by organizing leads, contacting prospects, and updating CRM systems. Okay, so basically you're helping the support team of a company to manage their leads and customers. So it's all in the customer management niche, that industry. Now the fourth remote role that is in demand in 2025 is social media management. Of course, you know that social media management has to be here. Social media management is now doing very well, exceptionally well. Companies now understand the importance of social media, and so they are constantly looking for people that can effectively manage their social media, that can create that communication, that collaboration between customers and the company. And if that's you, then you have a very good opportunity to work with people in 2025. Okay. So of course, your description, you have to develop, post and monitor content on social media. So you create the idea, create a calendar, you develop the content, you post, you monitor it, you communicate with people online. That's all in your job description. The fifth role that is also doing very well is freelance writing. You guys know that I am a freelance writer. That's my role, and of course it's not going anywhere anytime soon. As a freelance writer, you know that the demand for content creation, content writing is always increasing. People need blogs, they need articles, they need new website copy, product descriptions. There's always going to be a need for written content, and that's where you step in as a freelance writer. So you're going to be writing all this for projects, helping clients to build their web authority with SEO driven content. Okay, so let me just stop here first off to say that if you're watching this now and you want to go into content writing, I've just released a course for content writers. It's called Write Right, and it's currently on a 50% discount. So this discount is ending on 31st of December, so by next year the discount is off. But yeah, if you're watching this, you still have the opportunity to go and purchase that course at 50% less. Okay, it will teach you how to write. It will also teach you how to find clients as a writer. Okay, so yes, freelance writing is the fifth one. Job number 6 is proofreading. Proofreading, editing, you know what that means, right? So as a proofreader, it's your duty to review and edit documents before they are published. So it's your duty to ensure that there are no grammatical errors, not just grammatical errors, structural errors. There are a lot of errors that could be on a piece, and it's your duty to make sure that these documents are going out completely error-free. Okay, so you need to have attention to details, knowledge of grammar, all of those things are important, and it's also a lucrative skill. Now, the 7th job role that is in demand is graphic design assistant. So these are people that assist in create virtual assets like social media posts, banners, presentations, flyers, all of those things, helping design a concept. And it's very important. Everybody needs these things these days because people are always putting out stuff, and the way to portray it to the audience is by creating a design. And so graphic designers are very important. You need to have basic design skills, familiar with design software. You have to be creative, and then you can land a position in this role. The 8th job that is high in demand and is going to be even higher in 2025 is data entry clerk. Data entry, you people already know data entry. So as a data entry clerk, your job is to enter, update and maintain data in various systems and databases. So you're basically entering data, maintaining the data, updating it. Like, it is your job to keep this data constantly updated. Okay, so you need to know how to type, you need to have attention to detail. You need to be familiar with some of this software like spreadsheets and other things that you're going to use to enter in your data. Okay, it's also a lucrative skill. The ninth position is IT support. Why am I not surprised? IT support. So as an IT support specialist, your job is to provide technical support to employees or customers addressing IT issues. So whenever there are IT issues, you're the one that they're going to call and say, oh, why is this not working? Why is this not working? And then you provide support. You help people navigate the IT space effectively and smoothly with your skills, because you know how this thing works, and so you know when there's an issue with it. Okay, so you need basic IT knowledge, you need communication skills, and you need to know how to solve problems. Okay, and now the final one on this list is talent acquisition associate. Working in this position, you need to assist the recruit team, because the recruiting team, they always need support trying to acquire new talent. They're trying to hire new people, and it's your job as an associate to help this recruiting with candidate sourcing, screening and interview, okay, to help the hiring process to be easier. You need communication, you need organization, and you need to know how to recruit people effectively. So yes guys, these 10 job positions according to research are going to be very high in demand in 2025. So what you want to do is you want to learn how to pick one of these skills, learn them properly, and then you can then go ahead to start applying for jobs in this regard, and it's easy for you as an entry-level person. Okay, so yes, that's it guys. I hope that you've learned something new from this video. If you have questions, I'll be in the comment section, and I hope that if you got here, you have clicked the subscribe button. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.